Yeah, the NANOBY Air Duster. More like compressed air meets a leaf blower. This awesome little tool is going to be the focus of today's video, so let's get started.
House on the mend.
Alright, here's everything that comes with this cool little air duster, as they call it. You have the unit itself, and it comes with one attached nozzle and 1, 2, 3 other nozzles, and we'll go over switching those in a minute. And you get a USB to USB-C cable, which is how we charge it, and we'll check that in a moment. So the first thing I notice is it's heavier than I would expect, so it's got some substantial weight to it, and I think that's going to be the battery and the electronics inside of it. Now, speaking of the battery, this little spot right here almost feels like a little electronics device charger, but the battery inside is 2500 milliamp hours. As you can see in this Google screenshot, that's roughly the size of a mid-level AA battery, alkaline. You have the inlet valve, so this is drawing the air in and obviously pushing it out this way through this little turbine. These three little dots here have two functions. Number one, they tell you how much battery life you have left. So if all three are on, you're at 100%. If two lights are on, you're at 50%, and only one life means you have 25% remaining. Back here we have the USB-C port for charging, and this is our power button. You give a long, like 1 to 2 second press of that, and it turns the unit on. This button here, that power button is also your gear selector. So it has 3 speeds, and we'll go over those. This button here is your start pause button. So in some of the speeds, when you press the button, it's running. When you release, it stops. And in some of the other gears, when you press it, it runs full time. Another press stops it. Let's go over that right now. So I press and hold the power button, and you see we have 3 lights come on. In this indication, that is both the battery life indicator, but also the gear we're in. So when I press the button here, that is the strongest gear, and it is hopping. I like that. Another thing to notice here, let me see if I can get this right here in focus for you. When you press the button, there are 3 blue LEDs, the same color as this little battery life indicator. What the function of those is, I have no idea, but it's kind of cool. Okay, if we press the power button or gear button again, you see we get 2 lights. Now in this instance, when you press the button, it stays on. Still pretty powerful, but obviously not as powerful as the top gear. Press again and it turns off. Now we press the power button once more, and now we are in the softest level, and I'm not sure what you would use this for, but let's hear it. It is not much air. Maybe fanning yourself if you're at a game or something, but I don't see, unless it's something very delicate like a silk plant or something, I don't know that would be much use, but I could see delicate things, or if you don't want to make a big mess and have stuff blow off in your face. All right, let's go over the nozzles. I'm going to turn this off. There we go. So you can see by these threads right here that we do a quarter turn, and we can adjust nozzles. I like this one. It's the most concentrated of them all. So if you see the one that it came with, that slides all the way on there. So it's much smaller than that opening. This one here it will actually fit over it. So you can see we have 3 varying degrees of tighter nozzles, so you're going to get a more concentrated flow of air out of this one and least out of this one, though it was still pretty intense on the high. So this one here, when you put it on, as you can see, looks like a duck bill. You can't turn it to vertical. It won't thread in that way. You could turn it this way where the angle is facing up, which probably isn't that useful or natural to your hand. But anyway, duck bill for getting into flat areas if you want. Pretty cool. All right, let's go over charging. So couldn't be much simpler. You just plug in your USB-C cable. And as you can see, we are shipped from the factory at somewhere at 50% or above. So let's go ahead and see how long it takes to get a full charge. All right, 31 minutes to fully charge out of the package. Let's go get some use cases in on this guy. I think I want to use the turbo nozzle. So the first thing I notice when I'm testing it is when you turn it off and turn it back on, no matter what setting you were on, it always reverts back to full power. So when not making video content, my dog Maverick and I are on the canine search and rescue team, and we go down a lot of trails that are very dusty, and I need to get my gear out of the back here. So I've been hiding this full-size leaf blower underneath the back seats so that I can get to this without being filthy. How much better is it going to be to have the NANOBY here to give everything a quick blow off and be able to respond and get all my gear. Such a cool use case for my NANOBY, and this is where it's going to sit, right in the car. And there we go, a bunch of really cool use cases just walking around my house and my vehicle. This is a very handy device if you're at a desk and needing to clean things off, or if you're out and about in the yard or in your vehicle. I just think it's tremendous. It's a lot of power packed in one small little device. And if I turn it off here, all of that testing only brought us down one little dot there. So we are still basically within 75% or more. Pretty cool. All right. Of the nozzles, I ended up liking this kind of middle one in between these two. That seemed to be the best of both worlds. Obviously, it's really good at getting little things, but it's not so intensely small that it's going to take you going back and forth like this around your vehicle or your car seat. So that one works the best for me. I really didn't do much with the duck bill. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you'd give it a thumbs up. It's really helpful to the channel. Also, please consider subscribing. I work really hard to put out very detailed yet efficient tool reviews. There's a lot more of those to come. I want to thank NANOBY for sending me this awesome little air duster without any preconceived agreement on what I was going to say. They didn't ask to see the video and have editing rights, which I can't tell you how often happens to me, and I deny all of those. They just had the courage to just send it to me. They're confident in their product. I love that. So I'm going to leave a link for this unit in the description below. Full disclosure, that will be an Amazon affiliate link. So if you click on it and end up making any purchase, it won't cost you a thing, but I do get a small reward. And I'll also leave a link to any outside websites that NANOBY has. And if they give me a discount code, that'll also be in the description. So I still have people saying, where can I find this item? I will try to link it in YouTube's kind of links that they have nowadays, if it exists in their portal. But also, if you click on the More button on this video and you go down into the description, I'll have all the information on it, links and things like that. So please check that out. Until next time, thank you for watching.